This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes, creators of the world's best repair manuals. Fix your car or truck the right way with our accurate and reliable information at your side. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete online manual at Haynes.com.
Lift the arm assembly away from the glass for clearance. Free the release tabs. Then slide the wiper blade assembly out of the hook at the end of the arm. Attach the new wiper to the arm. Connection can be confirmed by an audible click.